Hello everyone, welcome to this math class. This is the questions related to the level of grade 8, because the questions consist of verbal problems or word problems, and we have to use only single variable. We are not allowed to use two variables x and y for solving it. So the word problem is, the question is, the fifth part of the number when increased by 5 equals its fourth part decreased by 5, find the number. So we have to find the variable which we are assuming. So for its solution, let us assume the number be x here. So if we assume the number to be x, then according to question, we can say the fifth part means it's actually 1/5 of that number, which we consider as x here. So 1/5 of x, when increase means actually when we increase something else, definitely it's about adding. If I say 15 increased by 5, then I have to say 20, that is 15 plus 5, that is 20. So increase means plus 5, so I'm doing here 1/5 of x plus 5. So it is saying that 1/5 part of a number. It is not saying whole x plus 5. It is saying only 1/5 part of the x. After doing 1/5 part of the x, when it is increased by 5, then it is equals to 1/4 of that x decreased by 5. Then what is the number? So let us make the equation like this. So 1/5 of x means this x will be multiplied by 1. So x by 5 plus 5. 1/4 of x means x by 4 minus 5. So now it's the rule of the equation. It is comfortable for us also to bring the variables on left hand side. But remember that we have to change the sign in front of the expression. For example, here x by 4, there is nothing. Nothing means plus sign. We can also say this is plus sign. So when this plus sign is brought on left hand side, okay, when this plus sign is brought on left hand side here, then it becomes minus. You can see the sign is changed because it's on left hand side of the equals to sign. So minus x by 4, and it's the right place for the constant to be on right hand side of the expression of the equation. So minus 5, this plus 5 is moved to this right side, and it becomes minus 5. So if there was minus 5, then you have to make here plus 5, but here is plus 5, that's why make minus 5. So this minus 5 is written as it is here. Okay, this minus 5 is written as it is here, and this plus 5 is brought here. This plus 5 is brought here by changing or just reversing its sign. Here was plus, that's why minus. So after that, we are taking LCM. So LCM between two different numbers means product of their numbers. So here 4 into 5 means 20. So LCM is 20, and dividing LCM 20 by 5, we get 5 for the 24 into x. So whatever we get as a quotient after dividing LCM, we have to multiply that to x. So 5 for the 24 into x, 4x, minus sign, 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 4 5 is 20, 5 into x, 5x, equals to minus 5. Minus 5 means it is with minus sign but added. Okay, we do sum when there's minus and minus. So minus 10. So after that, we simplify it. 4x minus 5x means minus x, and 20, and then equals to minus 10. Now we do cross multiplication. So minus, you can also think like multiplying both sides by 20. Okay, it is same like multiplying both sides by 20. We have the right of multiplying on both sides by 20. Okay, here also multiplying by 20, and here also multiplying by 20. Okay, so minus this and this cancelled, and finally it looks like whatever I have written here, minus x equals to minus 10 into 20, that is minus 200. So minus x equals to minus 200. We have to write here or because this is equation. So multiply both sides by minus sign, or you can also think that we are cancelling minus on both sides, or minus divided by minus, so that it becomes plus. So finally we got x equals to 200, which is the final answer. Okay, that's all. Hope that you understood well. So don't forget to subscribe if you want to get the related video like this. So there will be so much uploaded video relevant to your course of content, course of study. So see you soon with the next video. So please share and subscribe to your friends and go through it in detail so that you can revise and prepare well for coming examination.